Hey AI, can you help me clean up my inbox?
Absolutely. Deleting all emails.
Welcome, creators, to a world where your
Technology and imagination merge. You've heard of the buzzing of AI in every crevice and corner of the digital world, but did you know that most people aren't even scratching the surface when it comes to uncovering the ultimate power and potential of AI? When it comes to getting help for your repetitive tasks, AI is the employee that works around the clock for you for pennies on the dollar. I mean, come on, there's no better deal than that. But there is an art and learning curve to prompt writing. When it comes to AI prompt writing, you gotta think of it like giving context to your, let's say, literal friend when you're giving them a job to do. If you're not communicating carefully, your pal might just go find a can of beans and toss them on the ground if you ask them to spill the beans. So the last thing you wanna do is add more work to your plate by using AI when you're trying to reduce work in the first place. By the end of this video, you're gonna be armed with the knowledge and tools to create engaging and impactful AI prompts catered to your business needs. Plus, we're gonna give you some ready-made copy and paste AI prompts personalized for YouTubers, bloggers, coaches, designers, authors, influencers, podcasters, creators, and more. I'm Aaron Morin from Thinkific, the best tool to help you start and grow your digital education business. And today we're diving straight into the step-by-step recipes so you don't have to spend hours playing around with what works and what doesn't work in AI. But before we get going, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for our channel. We're always cooking up incredible guides and tutorials just like this one, and I wouldn't want you to pass up on all the goodness coming your way. All right, grab your AI bestie and let's get chatting. So, how do we start? It all begins with clear instructions. When interacting with AI, clarity is key. It's a good muscle to stretch because, as we all know, communication is probably the single most important thing for humans too. So Life Advice 101 and AI prompts, you get it all here, you're welcome. But it's true, clearly communicate your objectives, desired outcomes, and the overall tone that you want your AI assistant to adopt. You can't get what you don't ask for. Let's take a look at a few example prompts. Here's a prompt for writing a book. Hey AI, you're an expert in historical fiction writing. Generate a book outline based on the premise, a young woman discovering her magical abilities in Victorian England. The book should have 20 chapters. Or here's a prompt example for email copy. Write a motivational email message 100 to 150 words long to help young professionals overcome self-doubt. Encourage them to embrace their unique talents, stay focused on their goals, and remind them of the value they bring to their workplace. By outlining your expectations, you set the stage for an AI-powered assistant to provide targeted and relevant responses. Which takes us right to context. Lack of context breeds misinformation, miscommunication, and probably every other word starting with miss. So you don't want your AI to miss the mark, or you'll be wrestling all day with hundreds of prompts that could have been one single all-encompassing prompt. You get what you put in, quite literally. So let's explore a few other prompts. Here's one for a fitness course. Hey there AI, I'm creating a fitness course for busy professionals who struggle to find time for exercise. Can you share an effective 10-minute workout routine that can be done at home? Or here's one for customer service. You are a seasoned business owner or course creator who has faced various customer objections. Write a response 100 to 150 words long to a potential customer who is expressing concerns about the price of our digital product or course. Address their objections empathetically, highlight the value they will receive, and offer reassurance about the investment. By offering specific details about your target audience, pain points, and requirements, you empower the AI to deliver tailored and valuable insights. Remember, the more you share, the better the AI can help you. Structure matters. What format do you want the text response to be in? A story, an essay, a chart, worksheet, bullet points, an outline? The AI can't read your mind, and sadly, so can't humans, but that's for another time. When it comes to writing AI prompts, clear and concise questions give the best results. Let's see how a well-structured question can enhance AI's response. Here's an example for a cooking course. Hello AI, in my cooking course, I want you to focus on vegan desserts. Can you suggest 3 delicious and easy to make vegan dessert recipes in bullet points with the corresponding shopping list, measurements, protein and calorie intake, and prices. Please organize it into a table. Or here's one for a coaching session. Develop a worksheet for a leadership development coaching session on effective communication. The worksheet should include key points to remember, activities for self-practice, and reflection prompts. If you're asking a question but not getting the answer you're looking for, you might need to hunt a bit deeper. By breaking down the process, you allow the AI model to provide detailed insights and guidance for each aspect of your prompt. Let's say you're creating a course on digital marketing. Instead of overwhelming the AI model with a single question like, how do I create an effective digital marketing strategy? Break it down into manageable steps. Here's an example for a digital marketing strategy. What are the key components of a digital marketing strategy? How can I identify my target audience? What are the effective channels for audience and revenue growth? Hey AI, I plan to sell digital products, such as online courses, to my audience of young professionals on Thinkific. I'm considering these promotional methods, like social media, content marketing, and paid ads. Can you help me refine my strategy? And how about this one for blogging and SEO growth? Explain the steps involved in setting up a website from scratch, including domain registration, hosting, and content creation. What are the key factors to consider when optimizing a website for search engines? And please provide recommendations for on-page and off-page optimization techniques. The power of show your work is unbeatable. We are creatures who learn by watching and doing, and apparently so does our wise AI friend. Incorporating examples or sample input is another powerful technique to maximize the effectiveness of your AI prompts. By providing specific context and guidance of your existing voice or content instructions, you can steer the AI model towards generating the type of response that you desire. So let's say that you're seeking inspiration for your course content. Instead of asking a generic question like, what should my topics cover in my course? Provide the AI model with an example input that sets the stage. All right, here's an example for you. Write a sales email, 200 to 250 words, to promote a new digital product or course to your audience. Highlight the unique features and benefits, address potential pain points, and include a strong call to action that encourages readers to take action. Here's an example of one I've written before, followed by your example copy. Congratulations, creators! You've reached the end of our journey to mastering the art of writing effective AI prompts. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. If you are ready to supercharge your course creation journey, you can adjust or use 70 of these customizable ChatGPT prompts for course creation. Check out the link below to grab it. And don't forget to grab a copy of the Thinkific 2023 AI Report for Creators. If you've made it this far into the video, I've got a secret for you. This entire video was scripted by AI, and I'm not real. I'm just kidding, it's not there yet. But we did wrestle with prompt creation to help us write this video, which is exactly how you should get started. AI jumpstarts your creativity. It won't replace it yet. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for a constant stream of exhilarating content that will empower you as a creator. Remember, your potential is limitless, and the world eagerly anticipates the extraordinary courses you'll bring to life. And if you're ready to embark on the wonderful journey of course creation, go to thinkific.com to sign up for free and get started today. We'll see you there.